Mayank.
Hello, I am Lev.
We are from Leelavati Vidya Mandir Senior Secondary School and made a model on the Sukhdeep Industrial Development. The name of our model is Rapid Action Fire Engine. We have commonly observed that when fire erupts, it is commonly extinguished with the traditional fire engine, which sometimes takes much time, which can lose property and life. Firstly, the fire engine comes and unroll the hose pipe. Then the hose pipe is connected to the water tank, and then the nozzle of hose pipe is put it towards the fire. This takes so much time. So our idea is to make a rapid action fire engine, which would help us to cope up with fire very fast. Here we have connected a hose pipe with two long arms which are lifted up hydraulically, and it will help us to cope up with fire very furiously and reach the nozzle to the fire.
Okay. Thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you.